Hey, this is Wesley with MillRight CNC, and today I'm going to give you some advice to make your cutting experience a little more enjoyable. First, we're going to start with the coupler. Sometimes if your Z is not cutting correctly, you'll notice there that you could have some coupler separation that occurs when the lead screw is jammed into the coupler more than it should be. A loose coupler lets the Z screw slide into it, and you'll see that there's separation from the bottom and the top. That'll cause it to cut erratically, especially when it's pressing against some stock. So what you want to do to correct that is loosen the coupler, and that's going to be a 2.5 hex key. So loosen it, fully seat the screw at the bottom, and push the coupler back up. And then we're going to tighten the coupler so that it captures the lead screw against that screw seat at the bottom and keeps you from having separation even when moving up and down. And you'll see here that even under pressure, the coupler will not separate and drop the Z. The next thing I want to talk about is exceeding your limit of travel. That'll pop up and it'll shut everything down. And that's usually from the soft limits. You'll disconnect and reconnect to clear that to get control of your machine again. And what we're going to have to do is turn off our settings locked. If you try to make a change to the settings right now, it'll give you a warning telling you to contact MillRight CNC for more information. But to unlock that, you'll go to Tools and Options. You'll go to UGS and then Center Options and uncheck the box that says Settings Locked and hit Apply and OK. Now you'll see that soft limits are $20 and they currently equal 1. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to change that to 0. So in the command line of the console window, hit $20 equals 0. You enter that, you'll get an OK. $sign will bring the settings up again to let you see if the changes were saved. This will turn off the soft limit settings and allow you to jog however far you want to. Now keep in mind that there is nothing to keep you from crashing now, so make sure that you are aware of that with your program setup and toolpath setup. Next thing I want to show you is the pendant function. If you hit the phone icon at the top, you'll get a QR code or a URL that you can enter into your phone, and that will turn it into a pendant. You must be on the same Wi-Fi network with the phone and with the computer. Now you can see here we have limited controls, we have a jog function, we have a macro, we have a send file. You can load files and run them from your phone, or you have send command, which is a MDI command setup. You can see here that I am moving the machine using the phone X, Y, and Z, and that is per poke. It'll go by your set feed rate and step size. You can also zero out your position and change your unit from millimeters to inches with the jog control. It's a handy feature to have, especially when you're trying to do a setup. So try it out, see if you like it. I appreciate you stopping by to watch our video. If you have any questions, you can email us at support@millrightcnc.com or give us a call using the support line on the website. I appreciate you stopping by again. Bye-bye.